all my cricket stuff still in New Zealand. I was playing grade cricket in New Zealand. When I came back, I was given a choice.
I've got you on camera, yeah?
Yeah.
Saying it. It was Smithy? What are we calling you? Smythe.
Smythe.
We have Mohammed from South Africa. Whereabouts in South Africa?
Benoni.
Benoni, there we go.
Yeah, it looks like
I can't see the wicket, that's why I'm walking on the wicket. Matt and Bobby opening up for Stanford. First ball.
Oh, lovely start, buddy.
Nice bowling. It's got somewhere to go, yeah? Is it a barbecue? It's alright.
Catch!
Oh, okay. He's just gonna have a hit, isn't he?
Catch it! Middle! Your hands on your hips.
Better. Got forgiveness on this pitch, yeah? Got to bowl that right line.
Catch!
22 off 2. Huh? He's the gun, the little one. That's what.
No, chase. Oh no, he's one man. Good shot, lad. Catch it! Oh, lovely bowling. Oh yeah.
28 off 4. Oh, hey, lovely bowling.
Bowling, lovely bowling, Jit. Jump. Well done. Get in.
Lovely. Beautiful. 34 off 6.
Bowling.
Lovely ball. 34 off 7. Tactics are keep the big guy off strike, keep the little guy on strike. He's 28 off about 8 balls, and the youngster Bobby playing like a proper opener. It's looking solid.
Catch it!
Come on.
Walk in. Jump, that's the one.
Body hish, body. You got to do your body, mate.
Too short, mate. Come on, you can't bowl short, Jittin. Come on, bowl. That was where you were bowling last over.
He's on 46 of 8 overs. Count it, boys. Heads up, heads up. Had our chances.
That's how I'm at.
Oi!
Go on the ball. Bowling. Just go.
Hasn't bowled in about 7 years, I think.
Both of you. There's 2 more pitching.
Score 56 off 9.
Guys, Moby, come buddy.
Oh, very nice! Oh!
Catch it! Oh, unlucky.
57 off 10.
Cut! Oh, that's hard.
Bad, mate.
Go back, buddy.
No, he middled that one.
Yeah, he certainly did.
Oh, well, that's a lump of timber and a half, that is.
Then I said no way.
It looks nice, doesn't
Goes
it?
miles.
Yeah.
I put last time I played over here.
In Northampton,
I put
isn't
one
it?
over that tree.
Yeah.
I've cleared that big tree there. That just goes.
If you go in between
All soft.
and
What? I've had them all my life. They break after about a year, but they are so worth it.
Oh, that's going to kill the advert, mate. Start that again. I'll try and get you a free bat, yeah?
I know.
again, that's length. So I think, yeah. So no. So his box is straight here. So where he struggled with the jitting was this fifth line. So he said, just try and go a bit wider. Just try and go a little bit wider. You remember they're not really giving wides, so somewhere here, just try that, yeah? His boundaries are too short for it. What am I doing?
Into the clubhouse. Off that over. Yeah, he's a quality, isn't he? He's just, yeah, he loves your bowling. Oh, great ball!
Catch it! I told you to look there to catch that.
Unlucky, mate. That,
Licorice all sorts on bowling.
nice bowling! Got your tail up now, ain't ya? Got the big wicket. 86 for 1 off 11. Let's see how many he's going to go for that. Yeah, what do you think, mate? You took 48 off him in 2 overs. I think you took 48 off him. Go on, Eddie Sham. Oh, nice, Isham. Lovely bowling. That's what we want from you, mate. Hey, nice. Going down leg, going down leg, going down. Oh! Kasa! Oh. 93 for 1 off 40. Tell me you play for the first team or something, yeah? Okay, good. That's good to know. Come on! Yeah. Mate. You got to follow that, mate. Hey, can you... Oh! Yeah. I got it again, mate.
Top catch, man.
You were fucking. Only for my nephew do I dive like that, and that's the only time I'm diving as well. 1 you get. Oh, lovely bowling. Bit high, bit high, bit high. Guys, you've got to be in on that, yeah? That was back.
Yeah, inside edge.
Inside edge.
Inside edge, yeah. Unlucky, mate. It would have been a cracking catch. It would have been an amazing catch.
123 of 16.
Catch that! Well done, well done. You two good relay work. Get down. Oh, maybe not.
Did you? That was right in there. Lucky I got the big box on today. Oh, my stomach's starting to churn.
What are you tapping? Look at the pot, eh? Lovely bowling. So
beautiful.
How about you, Sean? One more, buddy. Give me one more, mate.
18 overs,
Come, buddy,
130.
Oh! Oh, bowling yards. Just one.
Guys, yeah, they're going to be running quick singles. We need to be awake in the field. Need to be awake in the field, yeah, walking in. Yeah.
A little bit too short on this deck, Tony. Oh.
Body, 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 body.
Yeah. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
149 off 20. Keep them under 300 now.
Yes! Oh, lovely shape. Good shape, buddy.
161 off 21. Come on, quickly round.
Get down, Justin. Oh!
Catch that!
Jump, have a go!
Oh. 165 of 22.
Whoa! Cricket's the winner there, lad.
In it?
Catch it.
Unlucky, Joe.
That's the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I know what plan you're working at.
Middle.
It's not going to be this though. It's going to be that's the catch. I reckon that's the catch.
The old vintage bat there, Dukes, like that. The old vintage bat, nice.
Yeah, I'll get a new one soon.
Looks like a good bat, mate. $166 of 23 for free. That's great bowling, Jim. Oh, God, take.
Oh!
I forgot I forgot to stand up. You got to remind me, batsman, to come up. I completely forgot that. I thought I can't sneak up on you either. Z, just bowl. We'll set the field. Just bowl. What's that?
Oh, good start, V.
Waiting! No!
Good night. What was that deuce, bro? I think it hit a crack.
That nearly took his head off.
Wait. Mama, not too close, Dad. You give him a bit of protection.
Yeah! Yes! The bouncer. The bouncer. It's such a jam. The rabbit strikes again.
You went, okay, yeah. No, you don't. Just bowl. No, just bowl.
Wait there.
Buddy, lovely.
Oh, I see how you feel for your mate. Oh, you go.
Thing is, if I get out, he's coming back in, so what do you want?
I want you to stay here. Yeah, I'm with you, mate. I'm not appealing or nothing. Now he's got to chase it for miles.
Catch it!
Good side. Oh, what are you doing? What's that? Body.
No, wait!
Should we take drinks? Mate, get out, if you can get out of the sun, Smythe.
Get you onto the side there.
Just give me a minute.
Yeah, grab some kids and bring some water over. Thank you. Love. Right, 191 or 28. 4 wickets down. Still got someone retired. Who's a bit good coming in. So that's good, Rafa. Oh, come on, you know you can't do that on this. You know you can't do that on this, lads. Cause out! Good.
Yeah, come on. Couple again.
No toe, Luke, come on.
Yeah, bowler's in, we got him.
Bowled it.
Good. Oh, got that. Go. Chase it, man. 32 overs gone. 213.
Just the one nice and low.
Lovely cricket pitches here, aren't they? Stop it, stop it, stop. Gracious! Man, love yourself.
Bowling. Back to
221 off 33.
bowling.
Oh!
Just the one, Mohammed.
And they crossed. 244 for 9. Big batsman's back in. So chase it, chase it. Mate, you carried your bat in a weird. Who you got? Do you want me to open?
Yeah, so then everyone else.
We've got a bin now. Cheers, you're 20 years younger, mate.